This vibrant tropical leaf is about to be transformed into a luxury vegan leather bag. Every leaf is meticulously checked by hand to ensure only the strongest natural fibers are selected. Careful packing prevents bruising, preserving the integrity of the plant tissue prior to processing. Secured loads ensure a steady journey, protecting the harvest on its way to the facility. The journey from field to factory begins, moving the harvest into a highly controlled processing environment. Arriving at the processing facility, the leaves enter an environment engineered for high-precision manufacturing. Heavy equipment handles the raw materials smoothly, ensuring rapid transfer without internal damage. Exact measurements track each batch, ensuring absolute consistency from the very origin of production. Micro-inspections confirm fiber density, guaranteeing the strength required for high-end fashion applications. Aligned and approved, the raw leaves move deep into the production line to begin their main transformation. High-velocity water jets remove every trace of outdoor residue, preparing a pristine canvas. An organic sanitizing mist neutralizes microscopic impurities, meeting strict hygiene standards for consumer products. High-velocity air knives instantly strip away surface moisture, preventing any premature cellular breakdown. Sorting the material by dimension ensures uniform fiber yields during the upcoming conditioning process. Properly staged, the categorized leaves are now ready to undergo thermal restructuring inside the steaming bays. The sorted leaves are loaded into an industrial autoclave to begin structural conditioning. Controlled thermal moisture relaxes the plant cells, altering the natural tissue for maximum flexibility. Emerging from the chamber, the leaves are now highly pliable and ready for immediate structural flattening. Heavy mechanical rollers compress the prominent veins, creating a uniform thickness across the entire leaf plane. The flattened sheets are automatically routed to the extraction line, where the core structural fibers will be isolated. Automated scraping mechanisms strip away the outer plant pulp, isolating the raw structural cellulose fibers. These strong, continuous fibers form the structural backbone of the high-performance vegan leather. A specialized neutralizing bath stabilizes the cellulose, locking in strength and preventing natural degradation. Skilled hands arrange the fibers into cross-meshed webs, creating an omnidirectional foundation of tough material. Advanced environmental cabinets extract core moisture, leaving a structurally stable, bone-dry fiber sheet. The dry fiber sheets are mounted onto heated plates, preparing the organic structure for molecular bonding. An automated spray system coats the sheets with an organic polymer, fully saturating the inner fiber matrix. High-intensity ultraviolet light triggers molecular cross-linking, solidifying the resin into a tough compound. Ultrasonic sound waves map the internal structure, verifying a flawless blend with zero hidden air gaps. Stacked and batched, the raw composite plates now move to the heavy pressing lines for permanent thermal fusing. The composite plates enter a massive hydraulic press to undergo structural vulcanization under intense heat. Tons of hydraulic force seal the fibers and polymer matrix into an inseparable, high-density sheet. Continuous heat sets the molecular bonds, transforming the raw organic compound into a durable leather substitute. As the press opens, a solid, flexible sheet of vegan leather emerges, fully unified in structure. Suspended on automated tracks, the sheets cool evenly, allowing the newly formed vegan leather to stabilize perfectly. The smooth sheets are fed into an embossing mill to imprint a premium luxury texture onto the surface. The laser-engraved drum stamps a sophisticated pebble grain texture, replicating the look and feel of premium leather. Advanced laser scanners analyze the surface topography, verifying the absolute precision and depth of every pebble pattern. An automated airless mist system applies a hydrophobic layer, shields the material from moisture and scratches. Radiant infrared elements bake the protective layer deep into the grain, permanently locking in the luxury finish. The textured sheets now pass into a closed pigment line to receive their final luxury color signature. Advanced atomizing nozzles distribute a rich, tan organic pigment, completely coating the textured surface with an elegant fashion tone. Heated air streams stabilize the pigment, binding the premium color permanently into the texturized grain. Specialists verify color consistency under calibrated daylight lamps, ensuring perfect tonal balance across the entire batch. The finished vegan leather is wound into master rolls, fully prepared for automated cutting and assembly. The master rolls are unrolled onto advanced digital cutting tables to begin high-precision part fabrication. Computer-controlled lasers slice through the plant leather, cutting out complex bag panels with absolute micron accuracy. The cut components are separated from the remaining sheet framework, leaving clean edges that require zero manual trimming. Stacked neatly by component size, these precise kits contain every part required to build a single luxury handbag. The panel kits are transferred to the edge preparation floor, advancing the sustainable fibers toward active assembly. Precision skiving machines shave the panel margins down to a millimeter, ensuring seamless layers during assembly. To give the bag its structured luxury silhouette, a biodegradable cellulose reinforcement is precisely aligned to each component. Intense compression roller pressure bonds the layers together, forging a rugged, multi-layered panel matrix. Each panel is stamped with a discrete tracking code, providing digital proof of its sustainable, organic heritage. Sorted and synchronized, the complete panel kits are dispatched to the sewing floor to begin structural bag assembly. Master artisans manually align every primary seam, matching the edges to achieve symmetry and structural balance. Heavy-duty industrial walking foot machines lay down ultra-tensioned lock stitches, permanently fusing the panels together. Long strips are wrapped around a dense core and double-stitched crafting handles engineered to withstand years of handling. Heavy cross-stitching anchors the handles permanently, reinforcing the primary stress points against heavy load forces. Carefully turned right side out, the bag finally reveals its true geometric form, displaying crisp lines and hidden structural seams. Inside, a premium lining made from organic cotton is inserted, adding a soft, sustainable protective layer to the interior cavity. Specialized cylinder bed machines stitch the lining directly into the top rim, reinforcing the main opening zone. A heavy-duty silver metal zipper is integrated into the mouth track, adding smooth functionality and high-contrast closure security. Pneumatic rivet presses stamp polished metal feet directly through the base, protecting the sustainable material from surface wear. Every custom accent buckle is crimped carefully by hand, completing the bag's signature luxury hardware aesthetic. The raw exposed edges are meticulously sanded, creating a flawless, rounded profile to receive sealing polymers. A specialist applies a custom organic polymer ink by hand, capping the raw fibers beneath a durable barrier coat. Warmed convection air current bake the edge seal, transforming the liquid into a tough, elastic polymer rubber. A final manual touch-up coat guarantees absolute perfection, completing the seamless, glass-smooth edge seal. The completed bags are organized and moved to the quality assurance bays for rigorous structural testing. Advanced optical magnifiers analyze every seam, counting each lock stitch to ensure industrial-grade assembly standards. Automated actuators cycle the metal closures repeatedly, stress-testing hardware endurance for reliable real-world performance. Digital indicators confirm dimensional balance on a precision stone bed, ensuring the bag stands straight and symmetrical. Ionized air jets sweep the pebble grain surface, removing microdust and static particles before final packaging. With rigorous testing complete, a signed certificate of quality is attached, validating its luxury status and sustainable craft pedigree. The certified bags enter the packaging suite, where they are wrapped in acid-free tissue to preserve the pristine surface grain. A heavy drawstring pouch made from organic cotton adds a second layer of luxury protection. The cloth pouch is centered inside a heavy, rigid gift box, shielding the product against any compression during global transport. Sealing the lid completes the presentation, enclosing the plant fiber masterwork inside a secure, high-end retail package. The completed cartons are compiled into interlocking rows, preparing the high-value cargo for logistical film wrapping and transport.
Automated stretch wrappers encase the pallet in clear protective film, stabilizing the high-value cargo for global transit corridors.
Motorized handlers glide the secure load across the facility floor, directing the shipment directly toward the outbound dispatch docks. The shipment is loaded into climate-controlled containers, protecting the organic polymer compound from temperature shifts during transit. Locking the cargo bay seals the shipment, securing the luxury vegan goods behind high-security tamper-proof protocols.
The journey concludes as the vehicle departs, carrying sustainable luxury out to global fashion capitals. If you love seeing how
Arriving in the world's fashion capitals, the sustainable harvest makes its debut on the luxury retail stage. The unboxing experience reveals the meticulous layers of care that protect the plant fiber creation within. Free from its casing, the bag stands as a testament to high-end eco-innovation and elite style. Out in the real world, it delivers high-performance durability and timeless sophistication, entirely born from nature. From a raw tropical leaf to an elite fashion icon, this is the future of luxury manufacturing.